testing internet for the best headphones and I found these. And on the box we will have high-res audio wireless LDAC H3 Pro Bluetooth noise cancelling headphones. And on the back, special sound, 55 hours battery life, 50 dB adaptive ANC, wired ANC, gaming mode, multi-point connections, stereo power amplifier chip, 40nm T plating supermagnetic driver unit. Ta-da! Poison for the trolls. Manual. Cable. USB type A to C and jack. And the headphones themselves. And there they are, in pink. Such a beautiful color. Feels really nice in the hand. Plush. And comfortable. On the back, we do have a huge microphones. Those microphones are designed to gather all the noise around you and cancel it with a special sound. That's how the ANC works, active noise cancellation. There's an ANC button on the side. Let me zoom in a little bit. There it is, ANC. USB Type-C microphone, jack, plus and minus for the volume, and power button with an indicator. And that's the microphone in close-up, a huge one. All right, let me put him on. And when you download the app, you do have device, battery level, discover. I guess if you want a 10% discount, download the app. All right, but device, sound, and then in this area we do have a special sound effect, pop. Those are presets. You can do your own preset if you wanted to. That's super nice. Noise cancellation presets also. 3 of them. Sound channel balance, reset, left and right. All right. Sound settings. Find your headsets, which is super cool. Oh, I'm not showing you my location. No. But it is, it is available. It's just super cool. Beep volume, timing power off, disconnect power, gaming mode, LDAC switch, dual drive connection, firmware update, and more.
H3 Pro, blink like dawn. Sound in the heart rhythm on. 55 hours on battery, NVMe's clear sound all day long. Wireless freedom, nothing's going wrong. Breaks like dawn, quiet and clear, no outside sound. ANC on peace all around. 2-hour charge back in the game. With H3 Pro, you'll never be the same.
And the range is 10 meters, and it's a bit more, but why would you go 10 meters from your smartphone or recording device? I don't know. Indoors will be a little less because we do have concrete walls and stuff like that. Anyway, sound itself. It sounds great for the price. If they cost twice as much, they'll still be good. That's how good it is. Bass, which means lows, mids and highs are very nicely separated. Not too bassy. I like that. They're not punchy in the bass, at least what I've said on them. So you won't be overwhelmed by bass, and that is really good. At least for me. I like the clean sound, and those are a warm sound, but clean. And I think that's all I got. H3 Pro works great with the iPhone 16. High-res audio. See you next video.